This is Memento, Adafruit's DIY programmable camera dev board. With Memento, you can take photos using the fancy camera software with CircuitPython. You can take photos and save them as JPEGs or animated GIFs. You can even apply image filters like this GameBoy-like effect. You can use the built-in buttons to change settings like the photo resolution and switch between different image filters. The Memento features the ESP32S3 Wi-Fi chip from Espressif. It's a dual-core processor running at 240 MHz with 8 MB of flash and 2 MB of PS RAM capable of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE. On the front, it's got a 5 megapixel camera sensor with built-in autofocus. It's got a USB-C port for programming and built-in LiPo battery charging. The built-in color TFT display has a resolution of 320 by 240 at 1.5 inches. There's also 6 user buttons, a microphone, a speaker buzzer, and an accelerometer. On the side, there's 2 3-pin JST ports and a STEMMA QT port, along with a micro SD card slot. The LED ring plate is an add-on for Memento. It features 8 new pixel LEDs for adding unique lighting effects to your photos. You can cycle between colors in the LED color mode using the direction buttons. You can also adjust the brightness of the LEDs by going into the LED level mode. The Memento features CircuitPython support for fast development. With the PyCamera library, it's easy to make custom camera projects. The fancy camera example code gives you a point-and-shoot experience where you can cycle between modes, image filters, and NeoPixel LED colors. The Adafruit Learn Guide features even more example code, so you have tons of projects to get you started. Our 3D printed enclosure features an LED ring diffuser. The two halves can be printed without any supports and snap fit together without any fasteners. It features access to all of the onboard components and the expansion ports. It also features a spot for a threaded tripod screw insert. We've been enjoying the Timelapse feature that's a part of the CircuitPython fancy camera software. It lets you adjust intervals and automatically locks exposure so you can capture smooth time lapses. For longer time lapses, you have the option to adjust the power to save battery life by dimming the TFT display. That's just a few things you can do with Memento. There's tons of other projects you can make, so be sure to check out the Adafruit Learning System. We hope this inspires you to check out the Adafruit Memento and start making camera and vision projects.